जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम everyone. I am Ashra Nasreen, also known as Arshia Education Wali. I'm a level 1 student at Rehan AI Teachers Training Institute, batch 23. I welcome you all to another inspiring episode with me. So today we have a wonderful guest joining us, Shameen Arif AI Wali from Karachi. Assalamu alaikum Shameen, how are you?
Walaikum assalam. I'm fine. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. So, Shameen is a student at Rehan College and currently serves as a facilitator at Orangi campus. So, alongside her passion for education, she's also a web developer and is currently enrolled in a teacher training course level 1. So, we are going to have a conversation with Shamin on the topic impact of AI on education. So, AI's impact on education. So, it's a pleasure to have you with us, Shamin. I welcome you in my podcast. So, let's begin. So, could you briefly introduce yourself to our audience?
Yes. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shamin Arif and I am an AI learn and a student of Rehan College, Orangi campus. I am also working as a facilitator and I have experience as a web developer for at least 3 years. I belong to Karachi and I am learn new skills, especially in the field of artificial intelligence. My goal is to explain more about AI, improve your knowledge, and use technology to create new opportunities. In the future, I want to become a successful businesswoman and continue growing professionally. I believe that learning, hard work, and dedication can help you achieve our dreams.
Mashallah, inshallah, we'll pray for your dreams. Inshallah, will come true soon. So, Shamin, can you say, like, as a student and as a facilitator, how have you personally experienced the impact of AI in education?
As a student and facilitator, I have personally experienced that AI has changed the way we learn and teach. AI help me understand difficult concept faster, find me new learner and resources, and improve my skills as a facilitator. I have seen that AI can help create better activities, lessons, ideas, and learning materials for students. It saves time and allow teachers to focus more on guiding and supporting students. AI is not only a technology but also a learning partner that encourage curiosity and continuous improvement.
Yes, really true. So, when did you first start your AI tools for learning, and what was your initial impression?
I started using AI tools when I wanted to improve my learning process and develop my technical skills. My first impression was that AI is powerful tool that can provide quick answer and help explain complex topic in a simple way. I realized that AI is not a replacement for learning, but a support system
Mhm.
that helps students explore more knowledge and become better problem solving.
Yes, of course. So, can you just say, like, from how many months or from how many years you have joined Rehan School as a facilitator?
सॉरी
Can
क्वेश्चन
you
दोबारा
hear
रिपीट
me?
करें. जी
I
जी
was
आवाज़ आ रही है,
asking,
आप दोबारा
like,
रिपीट.
I was asking, like, from how many months you have joined as a facilitator in Rehan School? आपने कब से ज्वाइन किया रेहान स्कूल एज ए फैसिलिटेटर?
आपकी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही मुझे.
जी, मैं पूछ रही थी कि आपने एज ए फैसिलिटेटर रेहान स्कूल को कब से ज्वाइन किया? लाइक फ्रॉम हाउ मेनी
जी मुझे
मंथ्स?
ज्वाइन जी जी मुझे ज्वाइन किए हुए 3 मंथ्स हो गए.
Okay, mashallah. So now, in your opinion, what are the biggest advantages AI brings to students today?
The biggest advantage of AI for student is personalized learning. Every student learn difficulty and I can provide explanation according to individual needs. It also give student access to information anytime, help them practice skills, improve productivity, and supports creativity. AI allows students to learn at their own pace and become more confident in their abilities.
Yes, of course. So, how has AI changed the way teachers prepare lessons and support students?
AI has made lesson planning easier and more creative for teachers. Teacher can use AI to generate ideas, creative activities, prepare examples, and understand students' learning needs. Instead of spending too much time on preparation, teachers can focus more students' interaction, motivation, and personal guidance.
Yes, absolutely. So, can AI help students become more independent learners? Why or why not?
Yes, of course. AI can help students become independent learner because it allow them to explore topic, okay, questions
Mhm.
and learn outside the classroom. Students can use AI as a learner assistant, whatever, whenever they need support. However, students should also develop critical thinking skills and not depend completely on AI.
Yes, of course. They have to use AI as an assistant. They should not depend on AI totally. I agree. Okay, so how can AI make education more personalized for students with different learning styles?
AI can personalize education by understanding each student's strength, weakness, and learning speed. Some students learn better through videos, some through examples, and other practice. AI can provide different types of resources according to students' needs, making
Mhm.
learning easier and more effective.
Yes. Okay. So, as a facilitator, have you ever used AI to prepare teaching materials or activities? If yes, how?
Yes, as a facilitator, I use AI to get ideas for teaching activities, create questions, organize lesson plans, and prepare learning material. And AI help me save time and improve the quality of my teaching. However, I always review and adjust the content according to my students' need.
Yes, AI has helped the teachers a lot in this field. Okay, so do you think AI can improve students' creativity or does it sometimes reduce original thinking?
I believe AI can improve creativity if students use it correctly. AI can provide inspiration, new ideas, and different perspective. However, if students only copy AI generated answer without thinking, it can reduce their creativity. So the important thing to use AI as a tool for support, not as a replacement for personal ideas.
Yes, that's true. We should use it as an assistant. Okay, many students now rely on AI for assignments. How can they use it responsibly without harming their learning?
Students should use AI for understanding concept, getting ideas, and improving their work. Instead of simply copying answer, they should analyze information, add their own thoughts, and develop their skills. Responsible use AI help teachers, students learn better and become more independent.
Yes, that's true. So, what role should teachers play in AI powered classroom?
Teacher should become mentor, guidance, and facilitator in is an AI power classrooms. Their role is not only to provide information but also to teach students how to think, solve problem, and use technology responsibility and responsible. Human connection and emotional support from teachers will always remain important.
Yes, I agree. Okay, so do you think AI can ever replace teachers completely? Why or why not?
Mm, no, I cannot completely replacement teachers because teaching is not only about giving information. Teachers understand
Mhm.
emotions, motivation, and a student build confidence and create human relationship. AI can support teachers, but the role of a teacher will always be valuable.
Yes, of course, that will not go. So, how can AI support students who struggle with certain subjects, like some are weak in some subjects? So, how AI can support?
AI can help struggle student by providing simple explanations, extra practice, and personalized feedback. Student can ask questions without hesitation and learn at their own pace. This create as a supportive environment where
Mhm.
student can improve their understanding.
Okay, that's great. So, what challenges do schools face when introducing AI into education? As you are also working in a Korangi campus, so what challenges did you face when introducing AI in education?
School may face challenges like lack of technology, limited internet access, teacher training needs, and concern about responsible use. School need proper planning and our awareness program to make AI beneficial for everyone.
Yes, of course, these challenges will come. Okay, how important is digital literacy before students start using AI tool?
Digital literacy is very important because students need to understand how to use technology safely and effectively before using AI. Students should learn about privacy, accuracy, and responsible usage. Digital skills help students get maximum benefit from AI.
Yes, that was a valuable answer. Thank you. So, what to uh, mm, as someone learning through a teacher training course, how do you think future teachers should prepare for AI?
Future teachers should learn AI skills, understand education, technology, and know how to use AI for better teaching. They should focus on combining technology with creativity, communication, and human skills.
Yes, of course, we have to combine our creativity. So, what
Yes.
ethical concerns should educators keep in mind when using AI in classroom?
Educators should consider privacy, fairness, and responsible usage. They should make sure AI tools supports student equally and do not create dependency. Teachers should guide student about using AI honestly.
Yes, yes, that of course that should be there. Honesty should be there, and they should not go towards the wrong side. Okay, so can AI help bridge education gaps between urban and rural communities?
Yes, AI can help reduce educational gaps by providing access to learning resources for students in different areas. With internet access, students from remote location, can learn new skills and connect with global knowledge.
Yes, of course. Okay, so how can AI benefit students with disabilities or special learning needs?
AI can provide personalized support, voice assistance and translation tools and adaptive learning method. It can make education more accessible and help students learn according to their abilities.
Yes, of course. I want to add one more thing here. Like some students who are physically challenged, they cannot go to school, so they can sit at their home. They can access this education, whatever they want. They can learn from home. So this is the even AI benefit for disabled children. Okay, thank you. So, do you think AI encourages lifelong learning? Please explain.
Yes, AI encourage lifelong learning because people can continue learning new skills anytime. Technology change quickly, and AI help individual stay adapted and improve themselves throughout their careers.
Okay. Yes, AI even can help in choosing the career. So, my next question to you is, what skills should students develop alongside AI to remain successful in the future?
Students should develop creativity, communication skills, critical thinking, problem solving, teamwork, and emotional intelligence. AI is powerful, but human skills will remain important in the future.
Yes, of course, even they have to learn some digital skills too. Okay. So, how AI influenced your own learning as a web developer?
As a web developer, I has helped me improve my coding skills, understand programming concepts, solve problems, and learn new technology faster. AI tool support my development process and help me become more efficient.
Okay, that's good. So, can AI help improve communication and collaborating among students? And if yes, how?
Yes, AI can help students collaborate by organizing ideas, improve communication, and providing tools for teamwork. It helps students share knowledge and work together more effectively.
Yes, if they work in collaboration, they can even learn more things. The other students share with them, they can share the knowledge. Yes, of course. That was an interesting answer. So, my next question is, what are some common misconceptions people have about AI in education?
Many people think AI will replace teachers or make students lazy. The reality is that AI is a support tool. When used
Mhm.
correctly, it improves learning and help both teachers and students grow.
Yes, even many people think like the AI can reduce the creativity of a student, but it's not like that. It can improve the creativity of a student if used properly. Okay. So, how can parents support their children responsible use of AI at home?
Parents should give guide children, discuss responsible technology use, and encourage learning instead of copying. They should help children understand that AI is a tool for improvement.
Yes, even they have to show, parents should show the right side of the AI and show them how to use it responsibly. Okay. So, what advice would you give students who are afraid that AI might replace human jobs?
I would advise students to learn AI skills instead of fearing AI, and technology create new opportunities for people who are ready to adapt. Human creativity and skills will always have value.
Yes, yes. AI cannot replace human jobs because humans have made AI. So human have the ability to think more than AI, I think. So it cannot
Yes.
replace the human jobs. So how do you imagine classrooms will look 5 to 10 years from now because of AI?
Future classroom will likely become more interactive and personalized. Student may use AI assistants, smart learning platforms, and digital tools that make decision education more flexible and engaged.
Okay, yes, it makes the classrooms very engaging and the students very interactive, of course.
Yes.
So, if you had the opportunity to design an AI powered classroom, so what features would you include?
I would include personalized learning system, smart feedback tools, digital resources, collaborative and platforms, and AI assistants that help both teachers and students. The classroom will focus on creativity and practical learning.
Yes, of course. Okay, Miss Shamin, how can AI help teachers spend more time on meaningful interactions with students instead of administrative tasks?
AI can help teachers by reducing the time they spend on repetitive आवाज आ रही है ना आपको मेरी
जी जी आ रही है.
Okay. AI can help teachers by reducing the time they spend on repetitive administrative tasks such as creating lesson plan, checking assignment, prepare quiz, managing content, analyze student performance, and identify areas where students need more support. This allows teacher to focus more on what truly matter. Building relationship with students, understanding their challenges, motivating them, and providing personal guidance. Instead of replacing teachers, AI can become a helpful assistant that give teacher more time to connect with students emotionally and academically. A teacher's role is not only to deliver information but also to inspire,
Okay, thank you
mentor,
so much.
and encourage student. And AI can help make that possible.
Yes, of course. So, what do you think AI will play in developing critical thinking and problem solving skills among students?
AI can play an important role in improving students' critical thinking and problem solving skills by providing them with opportunities to explore ideas, ask questions, and find different solutions. AI tools can act like learning partners that challenge students to think deeper instead or of only memorizing information. For example, students can use AI to analyze problem, compare different viewpoints, practice real life situation, and receiving instant feedback on their work.
Yes, of course. So, how can educational institutions ensure that AI is used fairly and ethically by both teachers and students?
Educational institution can insecure fair and ethical use of AI by creating clear rules, providing AI education, and teaching students and teachers how to use this technology responsible. Schools and colleges should train teachers so they understand both the benefits and limitations of AI. They should also focus on issues like data privacy, avoiding and making sure every student has equal access to AI tools. Students should be encouraged to use AI for learning and improvement rather than using it for cheating or avoiding their own efforts.
Yes, that was a valuable answer. So, as someone who wants to become a successful educator and entrepreneur, how do you plan to use AI in your future career to create better learning opportunities?
As a future educator and entrepreneur. I plan to use AI to create better and more personalized learning opportunities for students. I believe AI can help design learning experience according to each student's need, skills, and learning speed. My goal is to combine education, technology, and build solution that help students grow, become confident, and achieve their goals.
Yes, Alhamdulillah, you have a very nice goal. So, now finally, if you could give one message to students, teachers, and parents who are watching us about embracing AI in education, what would it be and why?
Yes, my message would be do not fear AI, learn how to use it wisely because it's a powerful tool for growth and learning. Students should see AI as a learning partner that help them explore new ideas and improve their skills. Teachers should embrace and AI as a supportive support system that help them become more effective educators. Parents should encourage children to learn about technology while also teaching them the importance of creativity, responsibility, and human values.
Yes, that was. Thank you so much, Shamin, for sharing your valuable thoughts and experiences with us. Your insights as a student, facilitator, web developer, and future educator have given us a deeper understanding of how AI is transforming education while reminding us that human creativity, empathy, and guidance remain essential. So, I hope our viewers has got something. Like out of it from our conversation now. Thank you so much, Shamin, and thank you everyone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It's me, Asha Education Wali. Keep until then, we'll see you in the next session. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you,
Allah
Shamin.
Hafiz. Thank you so much.